Hey guys, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach, giving you a tour of a fresh trade-in. It's a 2014 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. Boat's equipped with twin 300 Mercury Verados, hardtop, outriggers, bow tow eye, automatic anchor, white hull, blue graphics. It's in excellent condition. Let's go ahead and step aboard and can show you the options that this boat has. Alright, aboard the 280 Outrage, you see the transom rod holders, freshwater fill, waste pump out. You got a pull out freshwater shower right here, right in the transom. And as we walk in, you'll notice port and starboard on the floor, large insulated fish boxes, bait prep station here with a large pressurized live well, blue interior, knife storage, tackle storage, freshwater sink. Again, all the bolsters, cushions, everything is in excellent condition. No fading, no tears of the seams, no stains. Two captain's chairs with vented seat backs and flip down armrests. It's also equipped with twin 12-inch E-Series Raymarine screens. Nice enclosure. Some switching. You can see that the boat is premium quality. It's a 2014. It shows like new. Also have two fold down trolling jump seats on port and starboard that will fold out. So if you're running your outriggers, you can sit there and run the lines. Directly across from that we have the access to the head area, vacuum flush toilet, overboard discharge. There's your battery switches, ignitions, stereo head unit. And then moving forward to the bow, cup holders port and starboard, large seating sun pads up here in the bow, rod holders, flush deck, automatic anchor underneath there. Again, it's Justin Costello, MarineMax Pompano Beach. Give us a call. It's a 2014 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage, and it is available 954-633-2070.